everything is a moment. As I move my finger from here to there, you see my hand is moving. That is illusion. Because everything you see is already gone when you see it. It is just a moment, and that moment is not yet established. You know, right now we have smallest particle, and fastest thing is light. So when the light passes through the smallest object, then that is a moment. So when I do this, so many moments are gone. So what you are seeing is actually reflection which is left behind, the trace behind. It's already happened. When you're hearing what I'm saying, actually the sound has already happened. So it is already gone. So this is wonderful. It is an illusion, but it's a wonderful illusion. We don't feel kind of scared about it. We don't feel some kind of fear about it. We are not disappointed by it, but the truth is, when you see something, when you hear something, it is already gone, long time back. Millions of moments ahead. And you are hearing it millions of moments later. Same thing with the taste, same thing with the touch, everything.